11. Consider f from 1, 2, 3. Set 1, 2, 3 to set A, B, C given by f of 1 is equal to A, f of 2 is equal to B, and f of 3 is equal to C. This much is given. You have to find f inverse and you have to show that f inverse, the whole inverse is f. Okay, first we will find out f inverse. Now, if you have to define f inverse, how will you define it? It will be from which set to which set? So ulta order hoga. That means its codomain will become its domain, or you can say its range will become domain. Because range क्यों बोल रही हूँ? Because f inverse exist करेगा तभी वो invertible होगा. So inverse exist कर रहा है means onto है. Onto होगा तो this will become range होगा. Okay. So उसका range उसका domain बन गया, and its domain will become its range. Here, so we are defining f inverse from A, B, C to 1, 2, 3. Now, if you define f inverse from this set to this, actually ये क्या है? f यहाँ से वहाँ जाता है तो वो f inverse के फॉर्म में जाता है. जैसे हम यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है तो वहाँ डिवीजन के फॉर्म में जाता है. Like that, फंक्शन f of होगा f of something, मतलब that something will be equal to f inverse of. Understood? तो इसका opposite, whatever you are having here, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में से जब राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा तो उसका ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. यहाँ प्लस होता है तो वहाँ माइनस होता है. लाइक दैट. लाइकवाइज यू हैव, इफ इट इज अ फंक्शन, इट विल बिकम इट्स फंक्शंस इनवर्स. ओके, so we are defining this function as, define f inverse from this to this as f inverse of a is equal to 1. तो ये यहाँ चला गया means f inverse of a will become 1. Here f inverse of b will become 2 and f inverse of c will become. Okay. Now what you have to, so this is your definition for f inverse. अब आपको दिखाना क्या है इसमें? You have to find out that f inverse, the whole inverse is f. F inverse, the whole inverse is f defined. That means अगर मैं f inverse का फिर से का inverse define करूं तो वो f की पहुंच जाएगा, ये दिखाना है. इतना हमने define कर लिया अभी f inverse. अब again हम क्या define करने जा रहे हैं? इसका फिर से inverse. तो इसका अगर फिर से इनवर्स लेंगे तो इसका फर्स्ट सेट ये और सेकंड सेट ये बन जाएगा. सो इट विल गिव यू सेट 1 2 3 2 सेट ABC, राइट? If I define as f inverse the whole inverse of 1, first element is 1 here. f inverse the whole inverse means ये उस तरफ जाएगा तो इसका फिर से इनवर्स होगा, whole inverse होगा, राइट? तो उसका इनवर्स हो जाएगा and this will give you A. Again this will go there as its inverse. So f inverse, the whole inverse of will give you B, and f inverse, the whole inverse of 3 will become this. Now you just match with what is given here. दोनों को देखो. f of 1 is A, f inverse the whole inverse of 1 is also A. f of 2 is B, f inverse the whole inverse of 2 is also B. f of 3 is C, and f inverse the whole inverse of 3 is C. Therefore you can say f inverse the whole inverse is F. Understood? Is this clear? Okay.
Yes sir.
या फिर आप composition का definition भी use कर सकते हो. Yes, because this is, suppose this is acting as your G, then you have to find out the composition and show that composition is giving you the same thing. कैसे करते हैं? Composition मतलब आपने ये जो f inverse लिया है इसको अगर आप मैं G लूं तो आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा f composition G of एक एलिमेंट. G of पहले आता है means of A करना पड़ेगा, f composition G of B, f composition G of C. तो वो A तक पहुंच रहा होगा, B तक पहुंच रहा होगा, दिस विल आल्सो बी C. लाइक दैट. अगर पहुंच रहा है तो आप बोल सकते हैं f composition G is equal to I. Hence the other one is the inverse of the first one, that is G is the inverse of the first one. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. ये आपको क्लियर है तो दिस ओके, अदरवाइज यू कैन गो फॉर द composition. Is this okay? Or you need composition?
This is okay.
नेक्स्ट वन 12th एक्चुअली यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया है, वहां पे एग्जांपल नहीं है, वही प्रूव कर रहा है, सेम थिंग है, बट हियर you have defined something, there you don't have any definition, you have to just take and do it. The question is, let f from 12th, f from x to y be an invertible function, show that f inverse is f. बस इतना ही दिया है, f is invertible दिया है, function is invertible, it's an invertible function and you have to show that f inverse is the inverse of is the inverse of f. This is what you have to do. So for this what we will do is composition use करके directly बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो पहले हम define कर रहे हैं, since f is invertible, f from x to y is invertible, what you will get, f inverse exists and that f inverse will be from y to x. Okay, f inverse from y to x exists. Clear? Now we will start with the composition and show that what is the inverse. इसमें हमने composition नहीं किया, इसमें हम composition कर रहे हैं, that's all. तो आपको दोनों मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? So we are starting with f composition f inverse. Now f composition f inverse कहाँ से होगा? From where you will start? F inverse. F inverse is starting from y. Then it will reach x. Then you will apply f from x to y. So it is actually from y to y. That means f composition f inverse is from y to y, means you are getting this to be f composition f inverse is your I y. And f inverse composition f will be from where? F से apply कर रहे हो. F is starting from x. From x to y it will reach. Then from y to x. So from x to x. So you are getting inverse composition f will be I. So ये दोनों definition मिल गया, means one is the inverse of the other. From these two you can directly say that since f composition f inverse is Iy and f inverse composition f is equal to Ix, you will have f inverse the whole inverse, or you can say f inverse is the inverse of, यहाँ g होता तो क्या बोलते हैं, g is the inverse of f, f is the inverse of g. तो यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं f inverse is the inverse of f, that is f inverse का whole inverse आपको f. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या हुआ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम? सोनम, ओके, दिस इज क्लियर? चले राबिट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
13th one. If f from r to r is defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube the whole raised to 1 by 3. This is given your function. You have to find out what is f composition f of x. F composition f of x. उसके लिए definition क्या है? f of x, right? F of, what is f of x? F of x is this, 3 minus x cube the whole raised to 1 by 3. Now again when you apply f of, wherever you have x, here you have x, instead of this x you need to put this totally, ठीक है? ये पूरा आपको कहाँ डालना है? x की जगह पर. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? f of x होता तो वो होता 3 minus x cube the whole raised to 1 by 3. f of यहाँ पे क्या है? Something. That something should be replaced instead of x. So you get 3 minus ये जो term है, which is 3 minus x cube the whole raised to 1 by 3, correct? So ये आपका x जो यहाँ पे था उसकी जगह पर है. इसके ऊपर क्या है? 3. So you will have a bracket again and above that you will have a 3. And in दोनों को कवर करके आपको 1 by 3 आएगा. ये क्लियर है जो लिखा है? Is clear? You have just done that. फंक्शन के डेफिनेशन में जहां पे x था वहां पे आपने जो यहाँ पे f ऑफ में जो आया है ये पूरा ये आपने वहां डाल दिया है x की जगह. Now you have to just simplify because this is 1/3 here and its power is having 3. Multiplying you will get that to be cancelled. So this will become 3 minus of 3 minus x cube, correct? ये दोनों गया. Whole raised to 1/3. Again this will become 3 minus 3 plus x cube the whole raised to 1/3. Will go. We'll get x cube the whole raised to 1/3, which is x. If this is clear, then जल्दी आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे ये समझ में आ गया, I think. Okay. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 14th one. Is let f from r to r minus 4/3. That means from the set of real numbers, only one element which is minus 4/3 has been deleted to r. Be a function defined by f of x is equal to 4x by 3x plus 4. And you have to find out the inverse. Now again the inverse will be from कहाँ से होगा? From the range of f to r minus 4. The inverse, which is f inverse, will be from the range of see, for the existence of the function इतना ठीक है, but inverse exist के लिए ये again फिर r ही हो जाएगा आपका range. ठीक है, यहाँ पे range of लिखा है इसलिए I am writing. Actually that range will be same as your r. So this range of f to r minus singleton minus 4. Okay, you have to find out this function. इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Range कैसे find out करते हैं? Sorry, f inverse कैसे find out करते हैं? You take the definition which is given. Take f of x as y is equal to 4x by 3x plus 4. Now you have to just find out what is x equal to, and that will be acting as the inverse. So from here you will get y into 3x plus 4 is equal to 4x, which is 3yx plus 4y equal to 4x. Now correct the terms of x. You will get 3yx minus 4x equal to minus 4y, which is again here you have x in common, 3y minus 4 equal to minus 4y, which will be giving you x is equal to minus 4y divided by 3y minus 4. Or now you can just take the option. ये नेगेटिव कहीं पे भी नहीं है ऊपर, तो हम उसको नीचे लेकर आ रहे हैं. So this will give you 4y by 4 minus 3y. Will be your x equal to. Got the option which is acting as your inverse. So this x equal to means that is your g of y. या आप जो f inverse बोलते हैं उसी को हम g बोलते हैं, right?
मैम
हाँ
हाँ आपका मैम वीडियो बहुत अटक रहा है. क्लियर
वीडियो अटक रहा है. वीडियो भी क्लियर नहीं है. साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है.
मैम क्लियर नहीं है और यस मैम क्लियर नहीं है और अटक रहा है.
अभी भी दिख
यस
नहीं रहा.
मैम.
Now can you see?
नो
अभी
मैम,
थोड़ा
बोर्ड
ठीक
भी
है, समझ
क्लियर
पा
नहीं
रहे
है.
हैं. मैम
Okay.
बोर्ड इतना क्लियर नहीं है, बस समझ सकते थोड़ा. ठीक ठीक है.
देखो अभी. Now can you see? Now is it okay?
यस मैम अभी थोड़ा ठीक है.
And
Yes,
you have
ma'am,
found
okay.
out x equal to जो आपको मिला है ना, x को आप
Yes,
g
ma'am.
of y देते हो. That is taken as your g of y. This will give you your g of y as whatever you got, 4y by 4 minus 3y. ये है आपका inverse of f. which is your option B. Over.